Mitsubishi Corporation. Must have and hold forever. I will introduce Mitsubishi Corporation as one of must have and hold forever stocks. Conditions for must have and hold forever stocks are advantageous in the market and sound financial condition. Mitsubishi Corporation is a general trading company with a market capitalization of approximately 14.8 trillion yen. Besides market capitalization, total assets and sales are also the highest among general trading companies. The stock price rose as investment god Warren Buffett purchased Mitsubishi Corporation stock. Business segment. Mitsubishi Corporation, which is a general trading company, has a very wide variety of businesses, and the business segments are divided into 10 business sections across every kind of industry: natural gas, industrial materials, chemical solution, mineral resources, industrial infrastructure, automotive and mobility, food industry, consumer industry, power solution, urban development. Since it is a general trading company, the proportion of resource business sales and income is high, such as natural gas and mineral resources. Through these all business groups, Mitsubishi Corporation's current activities have expanded far beyond its traditional trading operations to include project development, production, and manufacturing operations, working in collaboration with trusted partners around the world. Competitors. Mitsubishi Corporation's biggest competitors are Itochu Corporation and Mitsui & Co., Ltd. Itochu has a strength in non-resources, Mitsui has a strength in resources. Mitsubishi Corporation has a strength in a good balance of resources and non-resources. General trading companies' stock price indexes PER and PBR are relatively high since recently stock prices rose drastically. But the dividend ratio of Mitsubishi is the highest, and which is an important factor for holding forever stock. Revenue and net income business performances of general trading companies have worsened during the coronavirus pandemics. General trading company stocks are cyclical stock, which has been greatly affected by the economy, but in recent years it has made a lot of profits due to soaring resource prices. Mitsubishi's revenue and net income have been steadily increasing year by year. Total return, dividend and buyback. Same as revenue and net income, total return amount to shareholders increased. Besides annual dividends, they regularly buy back their own shares. As the number of shares on the market decreases after buyback, the value per share increases, resulting in higher EPS and higher dividends. Mitsubishi declares that they will continue progressive dividend scheme, and the dividend amount will be 70 yen or higher, and they aim for a dividend payout ratio of 40% or more, so we can expect a large increase in dividends depending on future performance. When to buy? Let's see when to buy. Judging from past stock price, dividend yield, and PER and PBR. Stock price. Stock price has been rising steadily, and recently stock price rose drastically since it was announced that Warren Buffett bought Mitsubishi stock. Highest stock price in 10 years was 3,544 yen, which is the current price, and the lowest stock price in 10 years was 522 yen. Average stock price of the last 5 years is 1,342 yen, and the average of 10 years is 1,100 yen. As sales and performance have increased, so have stock prices, and current stock prices remain relatively high. Dividend. Dividend amount has been increasing too, and the dividend yield is higher than other Japanese stocks. Dividend yield average in 5 years is 3.8%, and average in 10 years is 3.6%. Current dividend yield is 2.8%, which is relatively low because simply stock price rose. PER and PBR. Let's look at PER and PBR next. In 2016, they operated in the red, so PER is 0. PER average in 5 years is 12.33, and average in 10 years is 10.72. PBR average in 5 years is 0.96, and average in 10 years is 0.86. The current PER is 15.2, and PBR is 1.60. PER and PBR ratio also shows that the current stock is overpriced compared to the past. Considering all stock price, dividend yield, PER, and PBRR, current Mitsubishi stock is relatively overpriced. But general trading company stocks, which are cyclical stocks, get affected by the economy, so there will be a chance to get the stock when the economy gets worse and stock price falls. I think a good time to buy is when PBR is lower than 1.0 and dividend yield is over 3.5%. Mitsubishi's financial situation has been great and has 1.1 trillion yen of cash at hand. And abundant capital is also the strength of Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi Corporation has been developing a variety of businesses and runs a comprehensive business. Mitsubishi Corporation is a must-have stock, and you can hold for a long time to receive their high-yield dividends, which will be increasing.